from Scrappy Happy Crafts, and I hope you all are doing great today. I'm back again with my InLoveArts shop design team haul. And as you all know, every time I do my haul video, I have like wonderful different goodies to share with you all. And this time as well, I have some beautiful dies from InLoveArts shop. So let me show you what I received, and I'll show you the measurements as well of each die so you can get an idea of how big is it. So the first one is this floral mini album die, and it's cute. It's really cute to have it to create some cute stuff. Next is this balloon die, which is quite big, and here are the measurements. I hope you can cut the threads and make it in an A2 size card, as well as you can put as it is in 5x7 card. Next one is this chocolate die, not chocolate, like candy die, and it's a candy box die. Here are the measurements, and that middle portion which shows that intricate design is so beautifully cut, and it looks really beautiful when we die cut this die. The next one is the baby boy cute die, and I'm planning to use this in my mini album, so hope I can share it with you soon. And these have like tiny toes, boys, some toys, and like lots of stuff in it. Next are these 3 sentiment dies. One says, "You are my sweetheart, there is sunshine in my heart," and today is a perfect day. So these are the perfect sentiment for the A2 size card as well as 5x7 cards. Next is heart nesting dies, and they have like 7 pieces in it, if I'm not wrong. And that is a perfect size tag die, which can be used as tag mini album, or you can use it in cards and other like big mini albums as well as an embellishment. And last but not the least, this dream catcher stamp. I am so in love with it. It's quite big, it's not that small, and you can color it with any mediums like zig markers, Copics, anything, and I am loving it. So these are the stuff I received from InLoveArts shop. Hope you all like everything, and I will link everything in my description box below. There is 15% discount code as well. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which die is your most favorite one, and I'll come up with my project share video soon. Hope you all are doing well, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.